Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So finally 2021 TCS NQT dates have been announced. There are some minor changes like pattern has been changed, right? And some more changes are there. So let us discuss in this video and then afterwards we'll see all these changes on the laptop screen as well, right? So let's start this video. First of all guys, the major changes that this year TCS NQT will be conducted online as well as offline also. Okay, if you want to give it online, you can register it online, and if you want to go in centers and give it physically, guys, you can also do that, and your score will be valid for 2 years. Okay, this is a very good thing. Your score will be valid for 2 years. And guys, the pattern has also changed. Okay, this pattern we'll see on the computer screen. It will have 3 sections as of now. I have uploaded one video guys regarding the pattern and what is TCS NQT approximately guys 1 month ago. So in that video I told you that there are 4 sections, but guys, just now TCS has announced that there will be only 3 sections in the first exam, right? So guys, that is the scenario. I'll take you to the laptop screen and I'll tell you all these things. Okay, so now let's see all these things. Your exam will be conducted on guys 24th, 25th and 26th of October 2020. Okay, and your registrations have been started. And guys, your registration will close on 17th of October 2020. Okay, so you should register before this. And other companies will also hire this time with the help of this exam. So that is a very unique and a very good opportunity for all of you, that by giving this TCS NQT test, you will be able to apply in other companies as well, right? So guys, this exam will be helpful for all of you right now. And the next one is change in pattern. So I have already told you there is a change in pattern. I'll show you on the laptop screen, right? And your sample test will be available on the website from 30th of September. And guys, this time registrations will happen on TCS ION website. Okay, I'll take you to that website right now. So just wait for a second. Then afterwards guys, students with any degree can apply. That's the very important thing. If you have done BSc, BTech or any other graduation, right, so you can apply. Any specialization is allowed, any degree is allowed. That is a very important thing. And freshers with less than 2 years of experience can also apply in this TCS NQT exam. Okay, so guys, this was the brief of what is TCS NQT and what are the changes in that. And if you are a 2019 pass out or 2020 pass out or 2021 or 2022 pass out, all of you can apply in this TCS NQT exam, right? So guys, that was a brief overview and important points about TCS NQT 2021. Now let's go to the laptop screen, and before going to the laptop screen guys, if you like my videos, you can join my Telegram channel and you can also follow me on Instagram for regular video updates. And guys, I have another channel. On that channel I upload videos in Hindi, so you can check that out. We have almost 20k subscribers on that channel and almost 300 videos are uploaded on that channel, right? So do check that channel and you will learn a lot from that. Okay, so yeah, let's go to the computer screen. So guys, you can see we are on the TCS ION website. Okay, you will get the link in the description of this website. You can simply see guys, we can register now. Okay, the option is coming over here and the dates are 24, 25 and 26th of October 2020, and the sample test will be available from 30th of September, and the registrations will close on 17th of October, right? So registration guidelines you can view. Okay, you can check them out later. So if you want to know what is TCS NQT, I have already made a video on this particular topic. You can check that link in the description and you can also read all these things. Okay, so this time guys, you will have your test in 3 sections, we can say. First will be your TCS structure. First will be your NQT score or the NQT structure. Okay, in this we'll have performance measure of verbal ability, numerical ability and reasoning ability, right? So guys, this one will be a mandatory section for everybody, and if you want to go in IT industry, so you will have to choose the programming section. That will be a compulsory part. So while you will register guys, you will get that option that if you want to go for that programming part or not. So guys, do attempt that. Okay, just click on yes and do attempt that. Second part also, that will be very important if you want to join any IT company like TCS or any other company. So that will be industry NQT score, and the third one is subject NQT score. Okay, so basically you are supposed to give NQT score, which is a compulsory test which will measure your verbal ability, numerical ability and reasoning ability. In this first NQT score there will be no programming question, right? And in the second industry NQT score we will have some programming questions, and I'll tell you the pattern lately, right? About the test, if you want to know about the test, you can see it will be conducted online as well as offline. Okay, we will have 2-year validity of our scorecard. We can apply for any entry level role in any corporate with the NQT score. Okay, and who can apply? I have already told you. Freshers with less than 2 years of experience can apply. Students with any degree can apply, and any specialization is allowed, right? And if you are an undergraduate, postgraduate and diploma student in their final year or the pre-final year students, they all can apply, right? So this was the eligibility criteria. And guys, the first exam, that is your NQT structure, it will have 80 questions and it will be of 120 minutes, that is 2 hours. So you will have verbal ability. In that you will have 24 questions for 30 minutes, you will be allowed for those. And in your reasoning ability section, you will have 30 questions for 50 minutes. Okay, you will have 50 minutes for that. And in the numerical ability section, guys, you will have 26 questions and you will have 40 minutes to solve those questions. So overall, guys, you will have 80 questions and you will have 2 hours to solve these questions, right? Previous year what used to happen was, guys, we had all these sections, the number of questions was less and the time was also less, and we used to have the fourth section also, that is the coding section, in this mandatory section itself, right? Now this time in this mandatory exam, okay, if you apply for TCS NQT, you are supposed to give this one, that is NQT structure. This is a mandatory exam. So if you want to join IT company, any TCS or any company, then you should go for that programming test as well. Okay, so guys, if we talk about that pattern, so for that pattern will be, you will have 1 hour and you will have 3 sections. Okay, and in the first section you will have 10 MCQs which will be of programming logic and right. And guys, in those you will get some C questions. Okay, take the correct type of questions, like take the correct option. Simply you will have to tell the output, what is the output of that particular program. You will have 4 options. Okay, so you will have 10 MCQs and you will have 15 minutes to solve those questions. And then afterward, guys, you will have 2 more sections which will contain 2 different questions, right? So you will have 2 questions. The first question will be of, guys, 15 minutes. Okay, so the first coding question will have 15 minutes and within 15 minutes you are supposed to solve that question. And for this third part, that is your another coding question, you will have 30 minutes. So overall, guys, first 10 MCQs you will have 15 minutes. The second portion, that is one coding question, you will have 15 minutes again. And for the third part, that is one more coding question, you will have 30 more minutes. So overall you will have 1 hour to solve that and you have 3 sections. Okay, so do attempt that. Okay, while you are filling the registration form, do click on yes, then only you will be eligible for TCS hiring. Okay, for the IT industry, if you want to go in coding and all, right? Why national qualifier test? You can see, guys, unlimited attempts are there. If it will happen more than 1 time in a year, then you can give it. Most probably it will happen more than 1 time in a year, right? So they have not disclosed it right now, so we can give it more than once in a year. Then you can read all these things, recognized by several corporates across industry segments and so on. Okay, it will be a structured test aligned with industry and improve quality questions also, right? So you can read all these things later on. Step 1 will be registration. Step 2 will be select the mode, whether you want to attempt it online or offline. Step 3 will be take your test. Okay, you will have to give your test. And step 4 will be simply you will get your scorecard and it will be valid for 2 years. And the step 5 will be, guys, access unlimited job openings. Okay, so you will also be able to apply in other jobs as well. You can see that in the frequently asked questions. So when you will scroll down, guys, okay, you can see here are the options to contact them. You can email them. If you have some queries, you can write SMS or you can call. There is a toll-free number, right? So if you want to know more about this thing, you can also see the frequently asked question, like what is TCS NQT. Okay, you can read all these things. Link is in description, guys, okay, of this website. I have given the link in the description. How will TCS NQT score help you in getting a job? Okay, they have told almost everything in the frequently asked questions. So you can pause the screen and you can read this. What is the step-by-step process to register for the national qualifier test? They have also told you that you have to click on register now and you are supposed to follow all these steps, right? Then who can apply for TCS NQT? Age limit is also given, 18 to 28 years maximum, and freshers with less than 2 years of experience, we have already discussed it, right? So you can read this. What are the different modes of assessment available? Online and offline mode, you can check that, right? When should I opt for online or when should I opt for offline? That totally depends on you. If you want to go for online, you should have a working webcam, minimum 2 Mbps speed, and working Windows or Ubuntu platform, right, operating system. Guys, you should also have Google Chrome browser. Okay, so these are some of the requirements. And where can you view your completed registration details and so on? So you can read this. Okay, you have to simply click on view details on the national qualifier test page and you will get your details. Okay, and if you forgot to apply for subject NQT programming test, so what should you do? You can also you can view your registration details from the view details on the national qualifier test page using your TCS ION digital learning hub credentials. Okay, you can edit your application, that is important, to include the same on or before the registration closure date. So guys, you should do it before the registrations close, and this is the very important thing if you want to get a job in TCS as a programmer, right? So you have to give this programming test also, which is of 1 hour. I have already told you about this. So you can read all these questions, guys. Okay, so guys, you can read all these frequently asked questions and you can get all the details, right? When and how will you receive your hall ticket, login credentials? So you can see. So guys, you will receive your login credentials on your registered email ID 2 days prior to the assessment. And if you, in case you have some problem, you can contact them on this particular number. Okay, this is, here is the TCS and help desk number for support. And you can also read all the other frequently asked questions, like what are the next step after getting NQT scores, is there any cutoff or not. No, there is no cutoff. Okay, there is no cutoff. That will totally depend on the performance of all the students. How will the results be communicated, you can see this. Okay, again, so you can read each and everything. I'll give the link in the description. And that's it from this video, guys. If you want to register, you just have to simply click on register now, and you can simply create a new account. Okay, you will, so simply guys, you can register it. And yeah, thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.